Hi guys, what is going on? Today I have new gameplay footage for you. It comes from IRONSIGHT Airsoft near Andover, and I'm playing with a Crytek Chris Vector. I will pre-apologise that I don't have scope cam footage of it. Unfortunately, due to a computer error, I managed to lose all my scope cam footage. This is the first time I play CQB, so let's see how it fares out. Go. Hayden, I'm with you. Okay. Put yourself tuck up against the wall. Back in. She as well. Heads. By the car park.
Hit! Good hit, good kill!
They're pushing up. Oh, single guy. Thank you. I'm not shooting my own car. After I died that time, by the time I made it back to the respawn, the game had ended. The original idea of this game was to try and capture codes for a bomb. If I'm honest, I was going to just try and hold the enemy back as best I could. Let my team do the rest. that not get you, really? Let's not be stupid. You tell me. You tell me, buddy. Huh? I can't hear ya. You tell me. You tell me. I think still one's that way. Dead. Dead, Blair. I'll get your grenade back through the door.
After I died this time, we moved on to the next game. The next game was 3 phase. I'm only actually going to show you the last phase, but I managed to find a really good spot that wasn't breaking any rules at the time, but it definitely made the site rethink its rules after they found out where we'd been.
Well, there's nothing that says you're not allowed to climb.
Oh mate, epic footage.
Exactly. If you don't mind.
Fucking hell. Stay down here.
But I think they're gonna find us. The longer they don't know we're here, the better. Whose tree was that? Oh, this one. No, but it's on video. I send you many links to Russian brides. There's a guy. Got him.
Hey guys, how are you? Ah, hit! No point shooting me anymore, I'll fall out. I'm climbing down the tree, don't fucking shoot me.
Marshall coming round.
I'll be fine. Hang on. Ugh. Woo! I'm alright. That guy coming out of the woods! Don't fucking shoot me!
Oh, good shot.
Right guys, let us down. Let us down, boys. I'm dead, buddy. So guys, that's all I had time for. This was my first CQB experience and I really enjoyed it. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you here again soon.